Best way to stay cool in the summertime. I picked up this fan a couple years ago, and I put it back by the shed in the wintertime and bring it out in the summer. It's a big fan, get a lot of compliments on it. Everybody comes by, they think it's cool. I got it from a welder, and he was done with it. So, and then I just picked this guy up the other day at Rona for 19 bucks, and it's a little mister. And boy, what a difference when you put that in the front. What a difference it makes in the cool air coming through. I wouldn't want it at the back because it'll suck through the motor, but having it at the front, it's not getting anything wet in the fan. And it sure feels nice on a hot day, I'll tell you. It sure works well. Yeah, called Mr. Blow. Works really well. I'm thinking what I might do too is put a line all the way around with misters, little misters all the way around, and then a couple in the middle, and then just turn the hose on low and just have it mist, and then have the connection on the side so you can just hook it to the hose, and then on a hot day you can sit out here with a nice cold beer and you got a nice mist. And with the fan, I mean, the fan alone does great, but boy, that makes what a difference with the mist. It's just a really fine mist blowing on you, and it's cold because it's cold water. And it doesn't get anything wet. Like, this is damp, but it's not wet. My pants aren't wet. So just a nice continuous breeze with the mist. It's pretty cool. So yeah, guys, try it out if you get one of these. They sell them at Princess Auto or Harbor Freight, these fans, but if you can get them used, I think I paid $100 or 100 and something for this used. But you can use it every year and keeps you cool. Great little thing. Anyway, short video. Thought I'd show that. If I do the misters around, I'll do another video of that. So anyway, like and subscribe, and ciao for now.